was a National Cathedral issue no as a pop up on the internet this time. And the crown bonus, no mum, and the crown papa so. Baby Akufo Addo Bawumia has been vindicated. Because I'm a focus. Obia Nisika, it is over $58 million. It over Nisika, it is over Nisika, but at this moment, no crabby, Epia Montana. I'm a Ghana for our reacted to that. In this video, let's move on to the and name Epia Montana and someone Ghana for a camp for National Cathedral. I Penyah Block Media. Mess was any deal. Over like video, no other one subscribe button, never click about the page for the latest updates. Now, but you're watching the comment section. That's why I was over so much video for the action. 2025 to the Comono, Adewakwa, a poor Kwama Bawumia, Edu Lucy Poto, the issue of National Cathedral. What is ever about to out of nowhere, and a by this say National Cathedral, MPP government has spent $58 million on National Cathedral, only for them to dig a hole. There's only $58 million at digging hole. And material, I was like, wait a minute. Any papa and like a can expenses a maya or home boom. Receipt of the Cambo or Hene, and then Omia of the Cambo Mobina said, you're spending $58 million on National Cathedral because then in our Ghana here. And about me, a commission e-gate about a commission here. A board cost on e-gate about Malcolm 5. Mahama equals Eka say I Bawumia has spent more than $276 million on National Cathedral. Hey, and this new Kojina work away with $50 million. We see we $144 million. Equally actually aviation control board added the actual cost by na as low as $1.7 million. Just say ye ne baby among for binyo figures every enum data every over 10 years the figures will be a Canadian. Then we must say $1 air Canadian will be a cabinet and on Abidjan. It's not like I do as a member as I was looking for a proof. So okay. Now 205 and out of nowhere. Ghana for American reportage. According to Ghana, Jeremy said the books of the National Cathedral are clean. And if I can't say no, or can one casa omurezi the concern of National Cathedral, omurezi by or no enemy, or can say the issue of Cathedral, the books are clean. The books are clean. Now, this issue, no, and social media for Ghana for Arabic to that. Let's move here the coup for the term card.
Abusia for Asemaba National Cathedral na NDC for eye hu dede eko sere na na adodanko Akufo Addo trimopo a omutwa antro se na adodanko Akufo Addo edi sika poli 58 million akotu swimming pool na oluman yi pese ode esi National Cathedral eso mfaso nanka eye bebre nanka ede job ebeba ebesan serve as a tourist attraction center ebesan serve as a biblical center open Bible hu bibi open Bible hu sia hunu open adie bia ya dusua efa Kristosum ho a obenya afri ho no NDC fo botugui esere na adodanko Akufo Addo se odi sika 58 million akwakosi swimming pool eye National Cathedral nanke de emfasodie bebre edi sika twitwiri die ebre oman no esade ntetiye papa ebre oman no NDC fo omompe papa edi dede eni ahurusie ebo na adodanko Akufo Addo trimopo enyina tugui okujeto odobo okujeto ablakwa eni Sam George ekojina eni na NDC fo obi mompe papa ekojina ho eto omhugu amena ni yetu foundation na yetu edi baba build swim National Cathedral no estre sa se swimming pool ene omukoye audit ekohwehwehwe mu no amahu se na adodanko Akufo Addo asem no odi ho bem oni ehofo odi ho bem wan sika bia anko build National Cathedral bia wan sika from the nation's coffers anko build National Cathedral bia na me asem we no me enye me nwanwa enye me ya if you say NPP communications directors NPP communicators eye hwe han na adodanko Akufo Addo hu gufin NDC fo ekeka nsem de to na adodanko Akufo Addo so na adodanko Akufo Addo akola ketekete mpo o man mu a na odi na tem eso papai wa me Ghana fo boni o na adodanko Akufo Addo ne Bawumia me Ghana fo boni omode ne ma papa omode hihye papa oma medi obia sika afa de NDC for etwetwene mobo anope yenkoti amose mo pese mo si National Cathedral no with a different name. Na mo nim say National Cathedral no eso on fa so anka mo ye saa. Okoko divu ya musokro omo National Cathedral emfasodie bebre efe tourist site kese wo Cote d'Ivoire. Enti NDC fo e de na ya na mo pa kire chese mo de bibi papa e ba o man ni mu na mo botugu bibi papa e ba o man ni mu na mo botugu enso ade ya mo ye ho ade ye sanitary powder mo che ye nuanom ma mo de che ye nuanom ma o mo wo ento aso suku amode che ma no aya na mo refi mo ho se emema ka ho ana sa na mo ba ya Sam George Esre Sam Jata George on the on papa at the papa ba no de ne honhom bogu ono oso ye elder eso on ka no kure ne nsem okika abra ne opposition say ono oba onfa convoy onye bibia ohu se presidential convoy ba sada no be resign enso be si neck NDC for communicators etu mfuturo sa gu papa adodan kwa Akufo Addo hu fi moma yenyan sa de no enye sa Ghana yenkoso. We need to put an end to those negativities, those negative things. We have to stop. And this is for throw too much. Omuka na sa kwa be nwom. Omuka na sa kwa gwe nwom. Enye de ehia nie, ye be say Sam George mo say ensem omuka ro mu ni so. Omuka so mo ba anti-gay bill omo be sign, mo sign. Moka say mo ba mo be tete light bill so, mo tete. Moka say mo ba income taxes near the ade mo betete so montete so baby o mine dru no enye fanfare mo mi enfa no kuredire muro o mine no yen ka no kure ncheti mamufo ni enyan kontompo no etro na doso atro ne na da na doso
Ghana for asemaba yes say ye kwaye audit and ye kwaye National Cathedral papers ni mu no obi enu wedi one city mpo all papers ntie enye obi a angeli no NDC any propaganda any ntro ba me fa brem me NDC me di brem me MPP communicators omo na me di brem me omo bibia omo ye nhwe han ye etwa ntro to omo so mo de edwuma no muntimi nya ma mmotua ye ka wo mama muntua ye ka de mo ya ne say information ne ba ana mo kwa research na say mo say na ekwa mo fan tag ye keke eno ani ehia enye mo na moto data man na mo fan tag ye be adwuma na magana fo na mo ma NDC fo da Ghana fo dodo e mo so mo keka mo kakra ba ya mo gentle me person na National Cathedral na memfo aso because already na Pentecost for the nkansi dan akasi sisi wo mekom de nipa nya aduane ndi so mo de sisi dan omo youth no pomo nya adwuma anya na mo de ba mo so one day omo youth ni nya adwuma anya na so omo sisi dan akasi sisi wo no manimpa okura sempo makosi dan heavy one de si wo International Cathedral me person na memfo aso because youth no mo nya adwuma anya ya eni say ekosi National Cathedral but say omo twa iska kakra dia to MPP4 say MPP4 58 million omo dia kwesi National Cathedral na sana ntro enya no kore omo kwa hwe pepesi nipa ba akompu ni omo di wedi one city na nka NDC minim mo NDC panga so omo di omo akogina court dadada ana omo akwachi nkofo koro ndadada nanso omo kwa hwe me ati pin mpo nyila o National Cathedral no bibia e intact Mama NDC for ada Ghana for say omo twa ntro say omo 58 million akotwa swimming pool raf bi o she baby o say omo 58 million akotwa swimming pool mo so mo ntimi amba bonti am kasa afi na omo abahwe me omo say no asem na nya no kore
into Oma we now 70%, more than 70% here Christians, you know. So Ghana and more than 70% here Christians. And you see a baby by was say Danakuma Susu Cathedral. I'll be fighting no a allegation, corruption, saying. Emma no creatine and isono. Or my way see more than 70% Christians. Sir, this project was supposed to be funded by the churches. The question is, yenya yesi 70% Christians now on the basis ye ka so be atua we kura ye betumi a raise fa no enipa ahe na edi sika koe into obi a set project a vision na mo first camera mo agba. Okay, then I will lead it with state resources until see benye scanner shame and also your problem like your propaganda opoku nyinamo edi omo kohwe ni page so de bia no ka ho asem na yensen 70% Christian nation entimi enshi cathedral ama na dane political grounds yedi remember last time me bi kura kuku sumi wom na mosere awon for Christianity yan se kwasie da so na masori na ma shantare na ma koshe white e bi kura kwa asori o munchi omunia. There is so much disunity and commitment in the Christian among the Christian community. So much disunity. Say Christopher say and sesen ki edi state sika ye a omo su sika omo de baasi ye mfanye no ewe papa na ye kosom no na pay ya ebi kura nanti yi na ebi ema ya sum kwa didie na ye kosom akodi asa akoto collection amam no se mo say and sesen ki ye di aban sika na ye ahe na wo contribute to ye. They didn't contribute. Yet they helped those who were doing the propaganda. Obikura say architect no or ye gay nti omo the National Cathedral ni be ye gay some. So many things. Omo and they were pastors they were trying to fight for this project. Near the pressure see so near make allegations where you sing. Afi pastors we are no atiada. We are also resign. We are also yenkoye audit. We are also menye sing. Because they also wanted to save their reputation. And so my reputation, bigger than building something for God. As even individual and woman almost see the properties that they own. You worth millions of dollars in Ghana. So for a big Ghana project, the amount of money a bomb on them, more than millions of dollars. And so many to me, I'm one young fancy National Cathedral because it will go in the credits of the previous administration. And then His Excellency John Dramani Mahama by so. Mean to me, ya oma ya sorry be she 4. Ene kro mu koyebi Kumasi Friday as them. So no mu omu yebi wa Accra International Conference Center. Sofu bebiri sofu ebia yehu bi da no omu nyina wurawuram ne mpaye ye dwampaye. Enye no anim se mpaye a ye boma president wa Accra no. E different from the boma president wa Kumasi. And ye Gallywood prayers in Accra, ye Kumawood prayers in Kumasi. This would have been avoided if we have a National Cathedral, a tourism site beyond the religion of it. Nana don't want 20 and ye kura and ye contribute kura. Let's continue the politics. Someone can do as of one. Sorry man, constitute more than 70% and sorry address kiki kosa him. We supported them. After the national project, some countries use 100 years to build a cathedral. 100 years. Architectural work in Kwa, even the design can take 5-10 years. National Cathedral, when you read the histories of cathedrals in the world, countries who are known for cathedrals, Italy, America, and all those countries, France, go and ask. They use years, investments, because it has more relevance beyond religion. It's a symbol of unity. Just a project via a tourist site and creating a generate now pay for itself. And share the CMP because nipa no di anim no kura yem pen asem. And to paint the ship black. Say the wu kunu a obi akra so sa odwan we okro ha adwemi nkunu kura mfiri ho. We attempted to obliterate anything called the legacy of Nana Addo. And let me the stand that man has taken. Say he will not be in public function. What baby? For more than 40 years of his public life, fighting for the needy, giving voice to the voiceless, using the courts to defend the democracy. But yebi, as I be the president, emu atem didie, emu yaw. He has taken the backstage. Ya de obeba. Cause mum penasem. Nti project no kro de aba na wonya kan se nyame se wo de ato na koma so. Nyame se wo de ato na koma so. Nyame se wo de ayeden wo de ato na koma so. Ene de mum pekura. Na ibi de aye propaganda. Ena wo na nyame de ato akoma so a ena kutua ke. Nana Addo kan say ye di nyame de ato na akoma so onye free SHS no. Na bosome ne salary ye de akoye free SHS. There is always a vision bearer. Now the vision bearer must be supported. Enti mo da montena ho say no Hajj village Omalanche. That one will be purely paid by the state. Ye nuanom wo mkra dey say they will be purely paid by the state. Once the kromo mfanko eyeye de ekire din obi anka ho asem. Nti se wo fie na 70% adwuma wo na wo ye. 70% adwuma wo na wo ye. Na se o parents ye bibia ma na obi atiem na wankasa. Na obi o ye 30% ana 21 ayi no. Wo ye bibi na eno na mo pe a na ekire din menka say one. But what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Or Tenhuru Hajj project in Mahama and Shasi, they have started the construction in 6 months ago. Oba and also a sankore lanche. Said no muhu ye, a who did de, bosuke na, king asa. When who siko umbedinyasem ketua. Yampen yenim nyansa. Yes, sorry, di asa ni asa mba fie. Her prayers are ye Mahama Friday or ye prayers for more than 3 hours. And young one coming see a ye Gallywood prayers wakra ni akoye kuma wood prayers kumasi. And ne obesan ye. In National Cathedral said ye Nana Addo kan sim by is a December said ye and ye ni ya inaugurating. Kenya ho ni ye be ye no. On said ye tie. Saa ni ye di titin solinim. Saa ni ye di titim divisiveness. And one ye di titim ni ye di edu. Nti mom ye nkoso. Propaganda. Yet why no mo hwan ye ho. On be shan ye ho nso. Because you are not one. A house is divided by itself will never stand. So when you move past say yentimi National Cathedral na adani swimming pool politicians akwa edware mu na ye ofa o feel say Nana Addo legacy ni ye no ye legacy. It shows how disunited we are. Oko den nyame ase for what hwe ni project ahe na o contribute here.
Tira je mame e comment section. Aha ipenya video.